Lerenbox, helping you achieve.
Hello everyone, my name is Tosin and I want to welcome you to today's Lerenbox tutorial section. On today's section, I'll be showing you on how to use Zoom, and it is a visual training platform, and of course it's online, although it has a app, but you need data to actually access it and access its features. So Zoom, as you know it, is used for online trainings, meetings, workshops. It's very flexible. You can actually switch off your video, turn on the video as at intervals as you wish, or as the host of the training or the workshop wish at a time. But even more interesting fact about Zoom is that you can actually record your screen and record yourself simultaneously in making any presentation or in making any workshop on your PC. You are not familiar with that? Of course, I understand, and that is why you're here. So in the course of today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a lot of features on Zoom on how you can use them effectively. So join me as we dive deep. Okay, so this is Zoom. This is Zoom, and of course this is the web Zoom. Let's say you start from, you can just type into your browser Zoom. Is that you sign up or you join a meeting. Okay, because I have actually signed up, or I can start as a newbie. So if you're actually joining for the first time, or to joining a meeting for the first time, it's going to ask you for the meeting ID. Of course, the host of the meeting is going to provide you the meeting ID and as well as the password for the meeting, as the case may be. Alright, so this is the meeting, this where you put it. Then after you put your ID, then you just join straight away. Okay, this the meeting ID I would like to show you. This is the meeting ID. I've copied it, I just pasted it. I join, and once I join, this meeting was actually created about some time. Then if you don't have a Zoom already on your PC, it's going to ask you to download and run. But if you already had Zoom on your PC, it's just going to bring out this dialog box here, and it's going to, and in my own case, I would like to open the Zoom meeting because I already have the Zoom app installed on my system. But if you don't have it, you can as well click here to download and run it, and it's as simple as that. It will just run automatically for you. Okay, so while we wait for it to load out, okay, there are some cases when, just like as it is written here, if not prompt by browser, that's if you have installed on your system already, if not prompt, you can as well click here to prompt it out for you, and it's going to do just that. But if you don't have it, you can just make it download and run immediately. Okay, this is the Zoom app that will just prompt just immediately. Okay, and to schedule a meeting, you click here, new meeting, click here to join a meeting. Of course, you see it here. Here you see it says no upcoming meeting today. So you can as well check your meetings if there's any. Now this is your personal, this is my own account of course, and this is my personal ID. So you can say show meeting invitation. So if you set up a meeting and you are okay, so the meeting now that I click, the other time is asking for the password for that meeting. The password is 009. Okay, so you can join the meeting from here. So from there, will just take you directly to the meeting, Tosin Paul's personal meeting room. So you can either use your system audio or use an external audio. Of course, I don't have any, just as every one of us, best go with your system's audio, which is the most preferred. This is and as you see, as I'm talking now, it's testing the level of the mic, which is okay, and you just take it from there. Just take it from there. So, and another thing I would like to show you is if you want to actually schedule another meeting. If you want to schedule another meeting, very simple, very simple. You just come to your home, you click on your schedule, then you put the name of the meeting. You can say this is Tosin Paul's Zoom meeting. You can as well change it to anything that COVID discussion meeting, COVID-19. Let me use COVID-19. Okay, and you choose the date, any day you want to fix the meeting, 20th. You fix the duration, and of course the required password. Like I said, you need to set password for every of your meetings, so as to make sure that it's only the individuals who have access to this password can get access into the meetings. Very simple. Alright, so the audio, you can set it off here. You can say telephone and computer audio, of course, most preferred every time. And as the host, you can turn off the video so you don't actually consume your participants' data. And during the course of the meeting, you can always switch on and switch off as you prefer. Okay, so from there you just click on schedule, and boom, just like that, the meeting is being scheduled. So you can actually fix your time zone from every part of the world. You can choose if it's a recurring meeting or it's just a single meeting. So I'll just leave this open. So it's quite flexible and of course very, very easy. Alright, so I'll just schedule this, and it's scheduling already, so that's going to take a little while because of the network. Okay, and after this section, I think we're just going to be, I've talked about you joining a meeting, I've talked about you scheduling your own meeting, creating your own meeting. Now I want to talk about how to record simultaneously as you do your meeting, so people watching or people listening to you can as well see what you are doing or what you want to show them. This is really useful when you are actually doing a training or making a presentation, so you can as well show your slides simultaneously even as people are seeing you, that's as your participants are seeing you as you make your presentation.